So today I want to talk about how many Americans live abroad and why they live abroad. Have you ever dreamed of packing your bags and starting a new life in another country? You are not alone, because according to the Association of Americans Resident Overseas, the AARO, at least 5.4 million Americans live abroad, and the United States State Department estimates that that number might be actually closer to 9 million people. That's like an entire population of New Jersey saying, like, we're out of here. While there's no official tracking system for Americans overseas, Uncle Sam doesn't exactly send postcards asking where you are, what you're doing in Portugal. We do know that expat life is on the rise, and for good reason. So here are the top 10 reasons Americans choose to live abroad. Number 1 is a lower cost of living. From rent to groceries, many countries offer a lifestyle that's just more affordable than major US cities. Number 2 is better work-life balance. Shorter work weeks, longer vacations, less hustle. It's for real. Number 3, healthcare access. Many expats rave about the quality of affordable and public and private healthcare abroad. Number 4, adventure and travel. Living abroad means Europe's next door, or Asia's a train ride away. Cue to your passport stamps, right? Number 5, cultural immersion. From learning new languages to embracing different traditions, every day is a chance to grow. Number 6, raising global citizens. Families often choose life abroad so their children can become bilingual and culturally aware, like mine. Number 7, remote work and digital nomadism. With more jobs going remote, people are realizing that they can work from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Why not? Number 8, retirement benefits. Your retirement dollars often stretch further, and the pace of life can be more relaxed in another country. Number 9, escape from US politics or social issues. I just said it, guys. Some expats seek relief from polarization of social tensions. And number 10 is fulfilling personal dreams. Whether it's opening a cafe in France or surfing in Costa Rica, expats are often chasing a life they actually love. So these stories are as diverse as the people who live them. But whether it's for a year or a lifetime, one thing's for sure, living abroad is going to change you. If you're thinking about moving abroad, join our global expat community at Expat Living, where we share tips, stories, and resources to help you thrive abroad. Let us know in the comments what would your top reason for moving abroad be?